When we purchased the property, it was in need of a lot of renovation. It was quite obvious there were a lot of things that need to be changed and modernised. We decided to do a basement, and we knew that we were going to pretty much knock down most of the house and rebuild it from scratch. So it was a big project. I did all the interior design. We had a project manager who helped us, which was great, but as far as the design was concerned, we did all the interior design ourselves. I came across polished concrete, I think through social media, and instantly liked the fact there were no grout lines. Our architect was also a big fan, and I think that just pushed me over the edge and made me decide, yes, we are definitely going to go with polished concrete. We contacted Lazenby and they sent us lots of different samples and colour choices and finishes. We knew pretty much straight away that we wanted to go with cool grey, which has a satin finish. And it's really beautiful because it creates a lovely reflective finish on the floor, and it just allows loads of lovely light to bounce around. So within our kitchen we have lots of natural materials which work really well with the polished concrete, such as marble and oak flooring, and that works really well and that pairs really well. But we also have a lot of other almost industrial products too. So we've got metal railings, we've got exposed brick, and that also works well with the polished concrete. But to soften that and to soften the concrete, we've got lots of soft furnishings. We've got boucle on the sofa, and we've got a really lovely soft rug, and that tones and brings down the edginess to the polished concrete and those harder materials, and it just finishes it really well. I love our polished concrete. I'm so happy with it. We nearly went for large format porcelain tiles, but I didn't want any grout lines, and I'm thrilled that we went with polished concrete because it looks so seamless. It's a beautiful feature. Everybody comments on it and the light just bounces around. It's really lovely.